Homeschool Resource!
Hi everyone, welcome to the Homeschool Resource. Today I'm going to be talking about organization and ways to keep you on task during your homeschool day. Organization is an important part of homeschooling. Having everything your child needs within their grasp will make your day run much smoother. There are many ways to get organized. You can use what you have. Shelves, bookshelves, book bags, tubs, baskets, and boxes. You can easily turn anything that you already own into storage for school supplies. This may mean rearranging shelves or temporarily moving items, as I have done multiple times, but you can always make it work. Clear tubs, especially ones with lids, help keep small items like art supplies neat and easy to find. Adding labels will help make sure everything gets put back in its place. Shelves, book bags, baskets, and boxes are great for books, notebooks, and binders. If you want to utilize those empty cardboard boxes lying around waiting for recycling, just let your kids paint, put stickers on, and personalize them for storage. Make a purchase. Purchase items, whether big or small, that you know you will use and that will be helpful for you, but you don't have to spend a lot to get organized. The dollar store is a great place to buy baskets and bins, as is your local bulk buying store. Those are specifically good for things like notebooks and writing supplies, if you have more than 2 children, or if you just like to have extra on hand. One of my favorite purchases were some colored crates. I bought 4, each a different color, and stacked them in a 2x2 square. Each of my 3 children had their own crate, which was just the right size to store books, workbooks, and notebooks. And the 4th we used to store art supplies in clear labeled containers. Repurpose. This is where you can get creative and not have to spend a dime to have a well-organized area. Paint and personalize those empty cardboard boxes lying around waiting for recycling. Give those empty bins and baskets in your garage a new purpose. Wrap decorative cloth, yarn, or felt around an aluminum can or empty jar for holding pencils or crayons. As far as using older furniture or things that have not been used in a while, a fresh coat of paint or a good wash can do wonders. I have personally used all of these methods, from clearing out a couple of shelves on a bookshelf, to using book bags, to buying bins, crates, and clear containers, to decorating cans and jars, basically doing whatever gets the job done. And I can't stress enough to label or color code. This will save a lot of confusion and look nice. As long as everything is easily seen and accessible, as well as visually pleasing, then the organization battle is won. Well, with the exception of whether or not the kids put everything back where they're supposed to go. My next video will be my first creative lesson math video, so make sure you check that out. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe and push that notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. Talk to you next time. Bye.